really coming? What happened to it? Looks like Boston got hit again though.
They went out to sea or something. We didn't get it. Down south they might have got it, but we didn't get it. The other one was a pretty good storm, the one before this. Yeah, it shouldn't be up too bad. I fixed that window today. Right here, she broke that loose and up there, and I got to come back and fix that up. Today wasn't too bad. We've had them. But the wind's not going to be very good today. As long as we don't lose our power, that's the main thing.
White out here on the river. It was this morning. Blizzard without snow.